Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you running a Shopify store and finding it tricky to keep your inventory organized? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to manage your Shopify inventory confidently, making sure you always know what's in stock, what's running low, and how to keep things accurate, even when product quality doesn't meet your standards. Let's jump right in so you can feel totally in control of your store. First, start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is like the control center for your entire shop, the hub where all the important decisions and updates happen. Just log in, and you'll land on the main dashboard. Take a moment to get comfortable here if you're new, because you'll be spending a lot of time in this area as your shop grows. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different options. Go ahead and click on Products. This section will show you every item you currently offer or have offered in your store. It's kind of like opening up your digital warehouse, allowing you a real-time peek at everything you're selling. Within Products, you'll find another option called Inventory. Click on that, and this is where the magic starts to happen. Inside the inventory page, you can see details like available and on-hand quantities for each product. Available means what's actually ready to be sold to customers, while on-hand includes everything you physically have on your shelves, even items that might not be in perfect condition. This distinction is important because sometimes not every product in your stockroom can actually be sold. Think of things that might be damaged or have packaging issues. By separating these two, you avoid accidentally selling what you don't truly have available, which keeps customers happy and your records accurate. Updating the product quantity is quick and easy. For example, let's say you recently did an inventory check and discovered that a few items were damaged during shipping, or their quality just isn't up to your standards. Maybe some packaging was torn, or a product was returned in less than perfect condition. It happens to every shop, so don't stress. In the on-hand column, you can make a note of these items by adjusting the numbers. Then you can update the available quantity to only include products that are actually fit to sell. This way, your customers will only see stock that's in good shape, and you won't risk sending out something that could lead to a return or a bad review. If you want to track those damaged or low-quality items, Shopify allows you to record them separately, so you always have an honest record of what you received, what was saleable, and what wasn't. Think of it as keeping your virtual shelves as tidy as your real ones. Knowing which items are prime and which aren't helps you make smart restocking decisions and maintain a smooth operation. Don't worry if this seems a bit detailed at first. With a few rounds of updates, it'll feel second nature and become an essential part of your shopkeeping routine. And that's it. Managing your inventory in Shopify is really all about keeping things accurate and up to date. Trust me, getting into this habit will save you time, prevent overselling, and help your customers trust your store even more. Thanks for following along. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about inventory management or anything else Shopify related, drop them in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe for more easy, step-by-step tutorials and happy selling.